Hi scholars, so today I am going to show you how to divide using place value and place value chips. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my dividend and I'm going to model it in a place value chart using my place value chips. So I need to go up to the hundreds, ones, tens, hundreds. I'm going to take my hundreds chip and I look at my hundreds place. I need 500. So over in my hundreds, I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I'm going to take my tens chip and I look in my tens place and I have 1 10. So I'm going to put 1 in the tens place. And then I look in my ones place, I notice I have 6 ones. So I'm going to model that here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. So now what I'm going to do in my place value chart is I'm going to divide into my groups of 4. I'm dividing by 4, so I'm going to be making 4 groups. So starting in my biggest place, in my hundreds place, I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, and that makes 1 group. So I'm putting a 1. Then I notice that I have this 100 here, and I cannot make another group of 4. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that 100, I'm going to trade it for 10 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Because I know that 10 tens is the same as 100. Now I can make my groups of 4. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, a group. 1, 2, 3, 4, another group. And then I notice that I have 1, 2, 3 tens that I cannot make a group of 4. So I am going to trade each of those tens for 10 ones. So I'm going to take this one and trade it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm going to take this 10 and trade it for 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I'm going to take this 10 and trade it for 10 ones. So now I'm going to take all my ones and I'm going to make my groups of 4. So I see 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to count how many groups I made. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And over here I had 2 groups of my 10s, so my answer should be 129. So I always check before I put my answer in. I'm going to check with multiplication. I think my answer is 129 times 4, and it should get me my dividend of 516. So I'm going to make my area model. 129 times 4. 4 times 100. 4 times 1 equals 4. 2 zeros. 4 times 20. 4 times 2 equals 8. 1 0. 4 times 9 gets me 36. Add them in a place value chart. 400, 80, 36. 6, 8 plus 3 is 1. Regroup the 100. 516, so that means that my answer, my quotient is 129.